Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you how you can install Judge Me app on Shopify. So to install Judge.me app, you have to select the platform and then click on the Add App button in your Shopify store. So after going to your Shopify store, search for the Judge.me app and click on the Add App button. And after that, click on the Install App button. After clicking on install app button and after installing it, click on installation by judge.me and start installation, and click on install judge.me now. Then after setting the product and collection page, click yes, looks great, and then you are done. That's how you will install judge.me on Shopify. That's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.